Hi guys, welcome to WGK Glass Art again. Today Sandra will be demonstrating how we make our cockatiels.
Exactly. And I started already with the body color. In this case it's gray. And I already have the aqua blue on the preheater and the yellow, which I'm gonna attach as the second and third color. And I already made a few pieces actually this morning.
Now let's take a look at those pieces.
Yeah. So they are available in different colors. Most of them are grayish, yellowish colors, because of course they are in nature like a beige, yellowish kind of bird. And that's a hook. It was a bit long on there already.
And as usual, Sandra starts with the body.
Yeah. And that's where I'm attaching the tail right now. And I made this a bit longer so I can have a bit of place where I want to put on the tail. And then you can pull the feather out. First one. And then I need to add a second one on the other end, the other side of that body color.
Guys, make sure you check out our cockatiel variety on our website at wgkglass.com. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can be notified, well, and hit the bell button below so that you can be notified of all of our videos that we post, and you can see us making our other creations.
Yep. And it's a good time to subscribe to our channel, really, because we just started, so we have a lot of things left to show. So you might want to stay close to us if you're interested.
Agreed.
That's for the tail. And it still looks a bit orange, but that when it cools down, it's turning back to yellow. You can see that on the other side already. It's more that the transparent colors stay almost the same, but with the opaque colors, they change quite a bit from color looks. In particular, the reds, the oranges, the yellows, kind of.
The fire colors.
Yeah.
The very intense colors.
I sometimes wish that they would stay like that, like Like now, it does look nice.
Yes,
on there.
I agree.
But nah, not like that. Doesn't work. Not
Very
with this
tropical
color.
look.
Mm-hmm. So I attached the handle on the back. And I'm going on with the head.
We've been making the cockatiel for a very long time, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
It's one of our oldest
Quite.
birds.
Yeah.
And if you guys missed our live event on our Facebook page where Sandra explains the different tools that she uses, like you just saw her using one of the mashers, make sure you follow us on Facebook at WGK Glass Arts Inc. That's WGK Glass Art, I-N as in Nancy, C as in cat. There you'll be able to see some of our other live videos that we've done in the past. And one of those videos that was done, I believe March 2nd, around March 2nd or 3rd, Sandra explains the different tools that she uses while making the creations.
Yeah, there are not so many tools. Surprisingly few tools. But I think the most important definitely is the torch.
Yeah, without the torch you can't do anything like this.
Yeah, it's just, you have to get it hot.
Here comes the eyes. And the beak. As you can see, Sandra uses different diameters of glass depending on the size of the points that she's at.
Yeah, if I just need to make a point or just a small beak, then I usually pull those rods myself in the right diameter. That belongs to the preparation that you have to have when you want to work really intricate pieces. You just have to pull the right diameters that you need.
Right.
So there's a bit more time involved in such a piece than just doing it itself.
The preparation
Yeah,
of
there
it.
is a bit of preparation involved too. Sometimes the preparation takes even more time than the bird itself.
It's kind of like cooking when you have so many ingredients, especially fresh ingredients, fresh vegetables.
Oh yes,
You're busy chopping and
seriously,
mixing.
that annoys me a lot. It's like you have a recipe and it says in the recipe quick and easy, 20 minutes time, and then you realize when you read just the ingredients, you have to chop for half an hour before you can start with those 20 minutes. It's like, really?
So that's sort of how it is with the glass.
It's the same way, yeah.
Yeah.
It's completely the same way.
Here's the hook. So because these cockatiels are to be displayed hanging, you can display them in your window at home, kitchen window, living room, bay window, bedroom window, above your staircase, not necessarily window, but of course they look better when the light hits them. But you can also display them in your car from your rear view mirror. There are so many different ways that you can display this bird. So that is the purpose of the hook, because it doesn't have legs to stand.
No, we decided on hanging animals. But we also have standing ones, of course. Quite a selection, actually.
Oh yeah.
You should check that out.
Yeah, check out our website, wgkglass.com. I think you'll be quite amused. And there's the crest of the cockatiel. And Sandra heats the body a little more because she's going to continue with the wings.
I always have to, in this case, I have to keep the center hot. So that's the main body.
The belly.
The belly. Well, I can't heat up the top because then I would melt away the hook again. So I have to heat up from the belly.
Makes sense.
But I want to make sure that it doesn't fall apart here in between the wings and the attachments. That's why you heat up the body.
If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel to see future videos. And we also have a playlist on our channel where you can watch some of our other creations being made. I think we have our Dr. Bird, the puffin, the heron, the Philadelphia eagle, because of course we're from the Philadelphia area. Quite a few that I think you guys would enjoy. And you also get to see how we start our day. So speaking of the preparation process that Sandra was talking about before, you'll get to see how we start our day here at WGK Glass Art.
Yeah, why not? I guess it's different how my day starts than how most of our other friends and fans and customers' days start.
Yes.
So I suppose it might be interesting. And it's always, when I do the wings, I always check from the front, because there you can see if you are working at the same height, so it's not going too crooked. It's always a bit, it's handmade,
Right.
but still you want to be as good as possible. And I'm a perfectionist anyway, so I always look at it and I think, it's crooked again.
Yeah, you're on
Even though it's not that bad, and I'm still not completely happy always. But I guess that makes me so good,
I think so.
that I'm still not happy with myself.
Yeah, because you always see room for improvement.
Yeah, I do. So it's done. Now I can take it off.
Just gonna melt the hook off.
Yeah, and then I can show you how it hangs. Let's see if I have a hook here. Nope, can't find a hook. nice when you want to have a hook fast. There are quite a lot of hooks in that mountain here. But of course, when you expect to find one fast, then you don't. Nope.
You just hold it. You can just hold it towards the camera.
Okay.
And guys, check it out. Check out our cockatiels.
It should fly that way.
Check out our cockatiels on our website. That way you can see how they're hanging and displayed. And we thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our website at wgkglass.com. Have a good day.